Excellent, great. So hi everyone, and so I'm Michel Hunsicker from the EDF Post-Croissance, which operates the venture capital arm of EDF, so the French utility, but with a global footprint, especially in Europe. So what I'd like to present you very briefly is what we do and how we accelerate energy innovation. So I'm pushing the button, but okay, I got some delay, so wait. Okay, so all our actions are rooted, in fact, in the purpose that we have integrated in our bylaws, meaning that even from a legal perspective, we have to comply with it. So I'd just like you to remind two things. The first one is the net zero, meaning that we actually aim at tackling the carbon dioxide issue. And the second one being the fact that we look at innovative solutions and services, and we try to build them, of course, with the help of external startups. So now let's look at some of our specificities. I will just insist on the first one, which are synergies. The reason being is that we have a current overall portfolio of 39 million customers, which gives us definitely leverage when we want to scale some solutions. And we definitely help startups. We invest into that journey. And the other one that I'd like to insist is as well our R&D capabilities. We have more than 2,000 researchers around the world, which gives us as well an edge when it comes to co-developing some new products and providing some support. And the last thing I'd like to underline is that we intend to be a stable and long-term shareholder to help the startups we invest to grow and develop. So now let's have a look at our portfolio investment sectors. So as you can imagine, our investment scope is quite large. First, the core thing is linked to energy. So we would look at everything around centralized and decentralized energy. This, of course, includes all the renewables, the storage, and things like that, or hydrogen. Then we look as well at B2C. This would enclose all the things regarding smart homes and connected customers. On the B2B side, we will help our customers with everything around energy efficiency, as well as optimizing their own process, which goes beyond energy supply. And from the territories part, we'll go on topics like smart city, mobility, and so on. So our current portfolio consists of 11 external startups. Those are displayed because we have as well an incubation part that is almost as big. And the last thing I'd like to underline is that we have so far invested in 19 VC funds, so I guess we reach a peak there. And all those collaborations are as well providing us with some interesting view. And I know that some of our VC funds are present there, and I'd like to underline that. So for startups who want to work with us and collaborate with us, so we have 3 investment priorities, so nothing revolutionary. There is definitely the fit with our strategy, the potential for synergies that I underlined before, and of course, the financial returns that we're expecting. On our investment mandate, our sweet spot concerns Series A and Series B. We usually only invest as a minority shareholders, or we can as well do some acquisition. I didn't mention that, but for instance, one of the startups was a German one that we acquired on energy aggregation. We invest between 2 and 5 million. That's the average, but we can go either below or above. And we have as well some ambitions to close about 5 deals a year with the long-term support that I mentioned. And as well, we have, in terms of geography, we invest in Europe, North America, and Asia. And for those of you with some doubt that being a French company, we only invest in France, what I can tell you is that our last investment in Enerbrain was made in Italy, since it's an Italian startup specialized in energy efficiency. So if you have any questions or willingness to work with us, I'm really happy to bring this discussion further. Thanks a lot for your attention.